When people hear expanding polyurethane foam, they often think of insulation foam, but modern engineering foams are something entirely different. In geotechnical engineering, controlled expanding polyurethane foams are used to stabilize weak ground, fill underground cavities, and improve soil performance. The key is not simply expansion. The key is controlled expansion. In this video, I'll explain why. HydroBloc 516-P is a two-component polyurethane foam specifically developed for filling large cavities and underground voids. Unlike conventional foams, it follows a slow and controlled reaction profile. This gives the material sufficient time to penetrate deep into the available void space before reaching its maximum expansion. After curing, HydroBloc 516-P forms a rigid, tough, closed-cell polyurethane foam with excellent dimensional stability and negligible water absorption. The result is a lightweight but extremely stable filling material, suitable for numerous civil engineering applications. Not all polyurethane foams behave the same way. Fast-reacting foams begin expanding almost immediately. As a result, the expanding material may block its own injection path, limiting further penetration. HydroBloc 516-P works differently. Its controlled reaction allows the liquid resin to spread through larger voids before expansion begins. Only then does the expansion pressure gradually increase. This sequence provides better penetration and more complete filling. This feature guarantees improved, much more uniform distribution throughout the treatment zone. So how does expanding foam actually stabilize the ground? Loose soil contains numerous voids between the individual particles. As HydroBloc 516-P expands, it gradually builds pressure against the surrounding soil. This pressure compresses and densifies the loose soil skeleton. As a result, the cured foam becomes mechanically interlocked with the surrounding ground. The treated zone becomes denser, stronger, and more stable. The situation changes completely when the soil is saturated with water. Unlike air, water cannot be compressed. As the foam expands, it first has to displace the pore water. This temporarily increases pore water pressure. In coarse-grained soils, water can usually escape relatively easily. In fine-grained soils, pressure builds up much more rapidly. Understanding this behavior is essential for successful injection design. Because HydroBloc 516-P expands gradually, the surrounding substrate has more time to adapt. The displaced water can migrate through the soil, reducing local pressure peaks. This leads to more uniform filling and improved contact between the cured foam and the surrounding ground. Where permeability is low, additional drainage paths may be required. Professional injection design always takes these conditions into account. Ground stabilization is not only about injecting resin, it is also about controlling pressure. Pressure monitoring holes allow engineers to observe the injection process in real time. Drainage holes provide an escape path for displaced water. Together, they ensure safe pressure levels, while allowing the foam to spread uniformly throughout the treatment zone. There are two fundamentally different foam technologies. One-component foams react directly with water. They are simple to use but difficult to control. Two-component systems provide a precisely reaction. The expansion ratio, reaction time, and mechanical properties remain consistent. This makes them the preferred solution for professional ground stabilization projects. Different soils require different materials. Fine-grained soils like silt and fine sand, mixed soils, and large underground cavities all behave differently. Selecting the appropriate resin depends on soil permeability, groundwater conditions, cavity size, and the required expansion characteristics. No single product is suitable for every application. HydroBloc 516-P is specifically designed for projects involving larger cavities or wherever a slow-reacting foam with controlled expansion offers clear technical advantages. One practical example is the stabilization of large underground cavities. The slow reaction profile allows the resin to spread throughout the cavity before expansion develops its full pressure. As expansion continues, the surrounding substrate is compressed. This combination of deep penetration, controlled expansion, and structural filling provides a highly effective solution for demanding ground stabilization projects. Let's summarize. HydroBloc 516-P combines controlled reaction, deep penetration, gradual expansion, and high mechanical strength. Unlike fast-reacting foams, it allows the resin to spread first, before expansion pressure gradually develops. The result is a stable, closed-cell polyurethane structure that provides reliable long-term performance in demanding civil engineering applications. Thank you for watching the HydroBloc 516-P Technical Deep Dive. Visit our website for more information on our ground stabilization solutions and technical data sheets.